Hello, radiant souls, and welcome to another empowering episode of Mindful Busy Woman podcast. I'm Sally AbdelAziz, your dedicated guide on the journey to empowerment in prosperity. As a woman's empowerment coach, hypnotherapist, meditation teacher, Reiki Master, and advocate for personal growth and self-discovery, I'm thrilled to dive into the transformative topic of overcoming perfectionism. Perfectionism. It's a double-edged sword. On one hand, it drives us to excel and achieve our goals, but on the other hand, it can paralyze us with fear of failure and hold us back from taking risks and embracing new opportunities. Today, we're exploring how to break free from the chains of perfectionism and embrace imperfection as a pathway to growth. So, what exactly is perfectionism and how does it manifest in our lives? Perfectionism is the relentless pursuit of flawlessness and the fear of making mistakes or failing short of expectations. It's the belief that our worth is tied to our achievements and external validation. But here's the truth. Perfection is an illusion. It's an unattainable standard that leaves us feeling inadequate and unworthy. Instead of striving for perfection, let's strive for progress. Let's embrace imperfection as a natural part of the learning process and celebrate our growth along the way. Let's explore some practical tools for overcoming perfectionism and embracing imperfection as a pathway to growth. Begin by reframing your mindset and shifting your focus from perfection to progress. Remind yourself that mistakes are opportunities for learning and growth, not signs of failure. Another powerful tool is practicing self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, understanding, and forgiveness, especially when you fall short of your own expectations. Remember that you are human, and it's okay to make mistakes. Give yourself permission to be imperfect and trust in your ability to learn and grow from every experience. Let's also explore the importance of setting realistic goals and expectations. Break big goals down into smaller, manageable tasks and celebrate each milestone along the way. Focus on the process rather than the outcome, and trust that progress, no matter how small, is still progress. As women, we often place undue pressure on ourselves to be perfect in our careers, relationships, and personal lives. But perfectionism only holds us back from reaching our full potential and experiencing true joy and fulfillment. By letting go of perfectionism and embracing imperfection, we open ourselves up to a world of growth, creativity, and possibility. As we conclude today's episode, I want to leave you with this empowering thought. You are worthy and deserving of love and acceptance, exactly as you are, imperfections and all. Embrace your flaws, celebrate your progress, and trust in your ability to learn and grow from every experience. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being perfectly imperfect. Thank you for joining me on Mindful Busy Woman. If you found today's episode inspiring, be sure to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. And always remember, when we embrace imperfection, we open ourselves up to a world of growth, possibility, and joy. Until next time, stay empowered, stay mindful, and keep shining bright. For your joy and success, your empowerment and prosperity coach, AbdelAziz was with you from Apex Life Academy. See you tomorrow.